There's the opening bell on Wall Street. United Rentals is ringing the bell here this morning as we talk about transportation and logistics this morning. They listed 25 years ago, so that's what they're marking today. As we take a look at what's going on with stocks to get out of the gate here this morning, we've been looking for indications of a higher open. Obviously, it's a holiday week. We have to note that. The volume tends to start to fall off into the end of the year. You also sometimes see some weird moves as people are doing some tax loss selling or whatever have you, moving things around in their portfolios towards the end of the year. So maybe we're seeing a little bit of that as we get into the end of the year. Shrug, say me and Brian Sozzi, but you are seeing stocks rally today. And we did have a couple of more positive earnings movers that seem to be helping things. Brad, what are you seeing over at the Interactive?
Yeah, get the green party hats on, at least for right now. Dow Jones Industrial Average right now is higher by about 0.9% out of the gate on the day. Let's take a 3-day look at this here. On this hump day, we're up by about 0.7% over the course of the week. But a lot of those gains really just coming from today. We've also got the NASDAQ composite that's higher by a little more than 0.5%. S&P 500, you're also seeing that to the upside right now, and we'll see which sector that's led by in a hot second, but that's up by about 0.7%. Still flat, just barely to the downside over the course of the 3-day period for this week. And so let's take a look at some of those sectors and what's taking place here today. Well, look, every sector is in positive territory as of right now, but which one is doing better? It's XLE, yeah, 1.7%. Exciting, right? XLY, though, that's up by about 1.4%. Consumer discretionary seeing a little bit of a bounce back. Yesterday took an L, but today, hey, we bounced back. All right, XLY, that's up by about 1.4%. No doubt led by Nike there. And then additionally, taking a look at the NASDAQ 100. We've got Apple in positive territory. That's up by about 1%. Amazon also seeing some gains. It's in the positive gains party by about 0.7%. NVIDIA, ASML as well. We don't talk about that one too often, but ASML Holdings, you're seeing that with some solid green on the day. However, Microsoft, Google, they are in negative territory to begin the activity on this Wednesday. Julie?